Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to restart your phone without using your power button. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is to head on your phone settings and then scroll down until you see the additional settings and then click on it and then scroll down again until you see the accessibility. So just tap on it and then click on accessibility menu. So just toggle the switch on and then click on allow. Okay, and then click on OK. So as you can see, here is the accessibility menu. So when we exit this one, okay, and then click on that, then click on the power, okay, you would be able to see here the restore, the power off, the silent, and of course the airplane mode. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.